Good evening. Good evening. My name is Christian Steven Forigo Becerra. I am a guide to traveling of Cajica. Cajica, Cundinamarca, with an area of 53 kilometers, the municipality of Cajica is located in the Sabana of Bogotá, north of the capital district, in the province of Sabana Centro, at distance of 39 kilometers from Bogotá. It is bordered on the north by the municipality of Zipaquirá, on the south by the municipality of Chía, on the west by the municipality of Tabio, and on the east by the municipality of Sopó. The park of the train station in Cajica is the tourist site, preferred by visitors who live outside the Sabana of Bogotá. It is a very popular area for its surrounding sites. At the train station, you can watch when the train arrives with tourists coming from Bogotá. You can get off, eat a delicious dessert, and have lunch in the different restaurants that are close to the area. You can also buy handicraft or souvenirs of the municipality. Food and desserts. The typical food of Cajica are the desserts. You can find a great variety from ice cream, cheese, fruits, desserts, among others. Some prefer the artisan bakery and drinks such as Masaro. Hotels stay. To stay in the town, you can stay in one of the hotels that are close to the park. For example, no hotel is 10 minutes by bus, or the hotel of the Savannah is approximately 20 minutes away. Normally, the people of the village are very helpful, charismatic, and cordial. Tipping is not always obligatory, but people do this as a way of saying thank you.